Hello, my name is Iuliia Kovalova and I am Field Technical Manager for Biologicals and Biostimulants for Corteva Agriscience. BlueN is a nutrient efficiency biostimulant that provides potatoes with an additional source of nitrogen which is available throughout the plant's life cycle. BlueN contains a naturally occurring bacteria Methylobacterium symbioticum. This bacteria fixes nitrogen from the air and converts it into ammonium, providing the plant with a sustainable, readily available source of nitrogen throughout the season. It is foliar applied, providing supplemental nitrogen to the plants, and is for use in a wide variety of crops, including potatoes. The optimal timing for application for potatoes is between growth stages BBCH 25 to 33, immediately between rapid canopy expansion up to row closure or tuber initiation. Where large tubers are preferred, apply between BBCH 30 and 33 when plants meet in the row or slightly later. Aim for 70 to 80% ground cover and increase phosphorus by 10 to 20%. Apply BlueN when stomatoes are opened, either in the early to mid-morning or late afternoon or evening. The crop must be actively growing at the time of application, and it takes 1 week for BlueN to colonize the entire plant. BlueN provides a consistent supply of nitrogen throughout the plant's life cycle, enhancing the plant's growth and resilience and optimizing yield potential. In trials conducted in Bavaria in Germany, BlueN produced higher yields in potato crops with a 6% yield increase compared to the untreated crop. For more information, please go to corteva.co.uk.